How to add apps to Android Auto. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. So as you launch the settings application, what you can simply do is tap on the search bar and search for Android Auto. So let's search for it and the app will pop up at the bottom. So let's search it again over here because it is not showing, and here you can see the Android Auto under connection and sharing. So let's tap on it, and as you tap on it you can see we have landed into new page. So scroll down and under display you can see the customize launcher option. Tap on it, and as you do that you'll be able to see the different apps that have been toggled on or that have been enabled or added to Android Auto. So you can see at the bottom of the screen is a hidden apps. So if you want to add it, you can just tap on the hidden apps section and simply toggle on the option as well. You can remove from the launched or set or added apps as well. Now if you want to add it, you can directly go to the bottom and tap or toggle on the option of the particular app and you'll be done. So that's it. See you next time.